Right now, our sentiment score is at an impressive plus 0.82, while the 24-hour momentum sits at minus 0.23. This divergence suggests a growing positive sentiment amidst declining momentum, something we typically don't see. It's a critical moment to analyze how this sentiment spike, coupled with 20 semantic clusters, might be influencing investment decisions. With our API, you can pull this data to get real-time insights on sentiment trends and behavioral shifts. Imagine leveraging this for predictive analytics in your trading models. You could pinpoint when to adjust your strategy based on emerging sentiment, helping you stay ahead of the curve. To dive deeper into how you can integrate this into your workflow, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of sentiment together.